Hi, this is Andy from the Nail Gun Depot. Today we're going to talk about the new multi-volt system from Metabo HPT. Here is your AC adapter, which plugs right into your tool, or you have your 36 volt battery. Now the battery is backward compatible. In other words, I can use my 36 volt battery on the Metabo tools, and I can use it on my 18 volt Hitachi and Metabo tools. Now, the tool, the battery, like any other battery tool, slides right into your tool. And I'm ready to shoot. Battery slides right out. If I decide I need my AC adapter, it slides in just like any other battery would. And I'm ready